When this little lizard feels threatened, it goes on the offensive. The liquid is harmless, but so sticky and smelly, it's enough to repel even the deadliest hunter. As ocean temperatures rise through the year, they fuel ever more powerful tropical storms. Caribbean anoles are surprisingly well adapted to endure such extreme weather. But this storm is still building. When the world's most powerful weather events strike, small creatures are at their mercy. A direct hit brings utter devastation.